What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. On our last video, I went ahead and I put a cold air intake, a blow-off valve, and upgraded intercooler piping. I have bad news and I have good news. After I put in the cold air intake, it was running fine for a few days. I started noticing my idling was a little bit off. Instead of being 1000 RPM, it was like 700. The car would still run and everything and get me from point A to point B, but sometimes it felt like it would want to stall. And it's been doing this for a few days and it's not going to go away. That's the bad news. The good news is that I'm pretty sure what I'm about to put on the car is going to fix it, and that is a Cobb Accessport. So that's the good news. I get to tune my car. I'm not going to be running an off-the-shelf Cobb tune for a long time, only because I don't have Cobb parts. So that's mainly what this Accessport is for. You put on a Cobb intake, you flash it with Cobb. That's the best way to use this device. This is pretty exciting for me. It's also very new to me. I've never done this before. Let's get this going. Alright, so this seems pretty simple. Plug in the OBD2, then I plug the Accessport in. The SF is Cobb's version of their cold air intake. This Cobb Accessport, the highest you can go to without having a Pro Tune or some kind of E-Tune involved is a Stage 1 Plus. Alright, so Stage 1 Plus, SF, that's Cobb's version of a cold air intake. Boom. So, installing.
One eternity later.
It's not the cleanest setup, but it'll have to do for now. There's a little panel in here, and the OBD2 connection is right under here. I just used a rubber band and I just grabbed all that access wire, that extra wire, and I just tuck it in right there. So we are officially in Mexico. What's first? Okay. Oh man, it's faster. The best way to describe it is there's more torque involved. I think the biggest difference I noticed is after third gear, when it jumps into fourth gear, it used to always kind of mellow out and not be as aggressive. Well, fourth gear actually like puts you back in and keeps going. Yeah, and it totally fixed the idling issue. It's completely gone, as you can see. It does not hiccup at all. So that just about wraps it up for today's video. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time.